Sequence function in Excel is a powerful tool for generating sequential numbers without the need for manually dragging cells. Here's how you can use it effectively. Basic usage. To create a basic sequence of numbers, use the formula Excel equals sequence 1000. This generates a sequence of numbers from 1 to 1000 in a column. Advanced usage. You can customize the starting number and the step size between numbers. Excel equals sequence 1005 to 1000 to the number of rows. Second comma, you skip the column's input to just generate one column. 5, starting at 5, increment by 2. This sequence starts at 5 and increases by 2 for 1000 rows. Generating a matrix, rows and columns. To generate a matrix of numbers across both rows and columns, use Excel equals sequence 100 100. This creates a matrix with 100 rows and 100 columns, where each row starts a new sequence. Key advantages: no manual dragging needed for large sequences, this customizable starting point and step size. Can create both single columns and multidimensional grids of numbers. This function is perfect for large data sets or when you need to quickly generate number patterns in Excel.